Hello guys, welcome to my video, and if you are new to this channel then welcome to my channel. So in this video I'll be showing you the salary slip of graduate engineer trainee and associate trainee. So if you are hired as a fresher for these two roles, then you can watch the video till end. And for the associate trainee, I'll be showing you the salary slip after the increment, that is the 3 years experience. I'll be showing the salary slip, that what is the increment level in LTIMINDTREE after 3 years and what will be your salary if you are hired for the associate trainee. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then please do subscribe, because I can see that many of the viewers are just viewing my videos but not subscribing it. So please subscribe, it helps me to get motivated to make these kind of the videos. So let's begin this video. So this is a salary of a guy who was hired for the role of the associate trainee with the salary of around 3.20 LPA. Yeah, he has told me that 3.20 LPA he has gotten for the first year. Like, he was hired for this much amount, okay? So he has gotten the onboarding in the LTIMINDTREE at Coimbatore location, and he has done the training itself for the 3 months actually. And after the 3 years, this is the salary slip, this is the increment level which he has gotten. So I'll be showing you in this video. So let's see this salary slip structure of the guy. So firstly, he is getting the basic pay of 15,000 rupees, and secondly, house rent allowance for 7,500 rupees, and education allowance he is getting around 200. That is pretty much low, I know, but yeah, that LTIMINDTREE has to offer to you. And ad hoc allowance, I don't know about this ad hoc allowance. If you know, then please do let me know in the comment section. Actually, what is this? Accenture also offered this ad hoc allowance. I've talked to my colleagues and they also get this ad hoc allowance. Okay, so he's gotten around 5,208 rupees. And the shift allowance, yeah, shift allowance is the main part of the earning for you. Oh, if you are in the fresher level. So shifts are like morning shift, afternoon shift and night shift. So morning shift gets and afternoon shifts gets lower the amount than the night shift, and in the night shift you get the highest amount if you are working in the shift. So for the shifts, he is getting around 6,150 rupees. So this is the main earning. So this can go up as well and this can go down as well. If he is getting the night shift more, then he'll be earning more than this, and if there's no night shift for a month, then he'll be getting a less amount in the shift allowance. And monthly bonus is also fixed here. Monthly bonus is like 4,200, that is fixed for every month from starting till the end. In the company you'll be getting for 4,200 only. Okay, so now talking about the deduction part. This is the earning and this is the deduction part. So for the deduction from his salary, 1,800 is cut for the provident fund, as I've already told in the previous video that the PF will be created at the time of the training only. So here PF for this account is being cut at 1,800, and professional tax is 200. I don't know what this professional tax is, but there is professional tax of 200. And group term life insurance, this is 288, and this is the default group term life insurance if you are not opting for any special life insurance. This is the default and this is the mandatory to take. It's not like I don't have to take this life insurance, and no, that doesn't happen in LTIMINDTREE. You have to take the group term life insurance. But if you want additional life term insurance, like if you want for parents, if you want for your wife and children, then you can opt for that as well. And for that you will be asked in the training, at the last day of the training you will be asked that if you want to opt any additional group term life insurance or the family term life insurance, then you can fill that form as well. Now talking about the annual salary. So he is getting around gross salary of 76,116, and there is no exemption act here, so balance is that much only, and no P tax and other income reported, nothing is there. So his gross salary, his gross total income, he is getting 1,116, and deduction is not there under act of 6A, so he is getting the total salary still. And after this let me tell you one thing. After this total earnings is from this only, this tab, 15,000, 7,200, and this is all 38,258, and total deduction is of 288. Okay, so this is this much, 18,000 plus 200 plus 288. So total earning is for 38,000 he is earning around, and total deduction PF and all he is getting 2,288. So after all of this, he is getting an in-hand salary of 35,970 rupees in his hand. Okay, so after this shift allowance, so basic earning you can earn from the shift is this 35,970. So after 3 years you will be getting in hand of 35,970 if you are getting hired for the role of associate trainee. And one thing to take care here is this net amount can be increased or can be low based on the shift allowance. So if you are working in the shift, then it will be a charm for you like it will be a golden opportunity to earn money in the LTI Mindtree. So yeah, for after 3 years of experience you will be getting around 35,970 in LTI Mindtree. So this is the incremented salary that you will be getting. And now on talking about the increment level, I'll be talking in the coming videos. Please wait for that videos. I'll be making each and every detailed videos about increment, what happens in LTI Mindtree and all. So wait for that videos as well. So this is a salary slip of the guy which was hired for the graduate engineer trainee. So if you are getting hired for the graduate engineer trainee, then please watch this video because I'll be showing you this amount, that what you will be getting in hand salary and what other things. So yeah, so first basic pay you will be getting around 25,000 per this is 21,000 per month. Okay, so in INR you will be getting around 2,52,000. Okay, then buckets of benefits. That what is this bucket of benefits? So this is house allowance, house rent allowance, your education allowance, and the bonus will be mentioned in your main salary slip. So base salary will be 6,03,000, and for per month you'll be getting around 50,255, and for this PF will be cut around 30,000 per yearly, and for the per month it would be around 2,520. But for that associate trainee it will be at the amount of the 1,800, and here it is amount for the 2,520. And gratuity per month 1,010 rupees. This is Mediclaim, that group term life insurance we can say, and by default it is like this only. You can't opt for the cancellation of this, so it is by default. 12,929 you will be giving them, and per monthly 1,077. So retirement and other benefits will be 4,600 for per month, and for yearly 55,000. So at last the CTC will be 6,58,352, and per month it would be 54,862. So the catch here is, if you are going for the shift allowance, that if you are deployed in the project where there is shifts, if you are working in the shift, then your salary will be up by 7,000 or 8,000 or 6,000 based on the shift. If you are getting in the afternoon shift, night shift, or in morning shift, so yeah, that can be go up and that can down based on the shift. So this is the basic CTC if you are hired for the role of the 6 LPA in the company. Okay, so you will be getting around 54,000 in hand before the shift allowance is credited in your account. So that's it for this video. If you have any comment, any sort of doubt in the onboarding process, then you can watch my previous videos as well, and about the training location and about the allocation of the project. I've also made the many videos on my channel, so please go and watch those videos. If you have any of the doubts, then please do comment. I'll be helping you fully and I'll be cooperating with you in the comments. I'll try to be the consistent in replying the comments. So yeah, meet you in the next video.